Hello everyone, welcome back to Meerriz Tech. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to easily install any mobile game on your PC or laptop using the Gameloop emulator. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. Type Gameloop and hit enter. Click on the official Gameloop website and then click the download button. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file. Now, install it in your C drive or your preferred location by following the simple on-screen instructions. After installation, open Gameloop from your desktop. And that's it! You now have access to hundreds of mobile games and apps. Use the search bar inside Gameloop to find any game you like PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, Call of Duty, or Clash of Clans. Just click Install, and the game will be downloaded and ready to play on your PC or laptop. So there you have it, a super simple way to install and play your favorite mobile games on a PC or laptop using Gameloop. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.